Hi, Tim Bigham for Delta Derivatives, option hedges and edges, and looking at a market that is finally getting just a little bit of a comeuppance here. Certainly we have the S&P down sharply again today. On China, another devaluation over there, so certainly looks like they're doing everything they possibly can to support their economy, maybe at the expense of others, we shall see. So a crazy market environment. Looking at some stocks, Sun Edison, SUNE, almost looked like was going to go to zero this morning. Insane trading, seeing huge volume on the calls out there as implied volatility is off the charts. So normally we take a look at kind of those big unusual options, but in this market environment, kind of sitting on our hands here, looking for a place to hunker down and looking at big oil. Yesterday, took a look at names like Exxon, like ConocoPhillips, like Chevron, CVX, which I did a little analysis on that, down 15 weeks in a row on that name, trading at levels last seen in late 2010. Implied volatility, at the 95th percentile, so a lot of fear priced in there. Also looking, going back again, those 15 straight weeks in a row down, the most since 1970 that it's been down on a weekly basis was 6 straight weeks. So certainly looking oversold there. 9-period RSI trading at under 14, the lowest level really I've ever seen on the chart going back as far as my charting goes here. And looking at a yield that is above 5%, and now with the 10-year looking like it may trade below 2%, that comparative yield differential is starting to look very attractive here. So I kind of like buying Chevron, selling a covered call, looking to kind of lean on that big dividend. Their payout ratio, certainly not egregious. I think they will keep that 5+% dividend for the foreseeable future. And the fact that it is so oversold here, I'm just looking for maybe one of these days to have one of those rip your face off rallies in oil to take advantage of it. But looking for safety, I think big oil with that high yield is a place you can look at. Otherwise, I think sit on your hands, wait and see how this plays out. It feels like the world's coming to an end, but we're just back in the middle of that trading range on the S&Ps, although it feels a lot worse than that. So until next week, this is Tim Bigham, and especially in this market environment, keep those position sizes in place, those stops going, and here's a good trading. Take care.